So what's in my bag? Let me show you. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a video which says what's in my bag. Yes, so I'm just stepping out to go out for some shopping. I'm going to Penship, and since I have some time, I decided why not do a video which says what's in my bag. So if you want to know what I carry in my bag, please watch the entire video. So since it is COVID-19 situation, I don't go to places, public places where I can stay for a longer time. Like we cannot go for movies, we cannot go out with our friends, nothing. We either go for grocery shopping, or we go for some official work, or we go out in the pharmacy. We go to places only where it's essential to go. So I am carrying very few essentials or very important things that I feel are needed whenever I travel out or whenever I go out in public places. So let's get started. The first thing I carry are my phones. So I have got two phones. One is my personal phone and the other one is the business phone. So one is here and one is the one which I'm recording on. So I can't do without my phones. I think each one of us are dependent on our phones. They are like the basic accessory we need to carry with us throughout. Like wherever we go, we need to carry our phones. The next thing I carry is my wallet, okay, where I keep all my cash and cards and important documents. I also carry a few safety pins, in it. Also, I carry a small clip, those sticky clips which you call, you can just pin them like bobby pins. So they are like girls' best friends. You need them all the time. You don't know when you need them, so I carry that. The next important thing I carry is this face mask. We all know that how important is wearing a face mask, especially when you're going to public places. Wearing a face mask is so important. I would request all of you guys, whenever you step out of your house, please wear a face mask. Cover your face carefully and please stay safe. The next thing I carry is, the most important thing is, I cannot do without my sunglasses. I just can't. Sunglasses play a very important role, at least in my life. I just can't do without sunglasses. Whenever I go out and the sun is out, I literally go blind. So especially when I'm riding a bike and say I don't have sunglasses, I'm a blind lady that time. I can't drive, I can't see anything. So I always make sure I make a point that I carry my sunglasses. Okay. The next important thing I carry is, I carry a scrunchie. Okay, a hair scrunchie. I made this scrunchie. It's a DIY. It's very simple to make. I'm sure some of us already know how to make this. I did it myself. So, I really love the way how it turned out. So whenever you're feeling hot, you feel like wearing a bun, or you just feel like tying your hair, you can tie your hair. The next thing I carry is my keys, where I have my house key, my car keys, my bike keys. All the keys are here. Okay, they're very important. I always used to forget to carry them, but now I make a point to carry them. Then I carry a lipstick. The same color I'm wearing today. And then what I do is, after I wear my makeup or I wear my lipstick, I carry the same lipstick in my bag so that I can reapply it whenever needed. The next thing I have here is my lip balm. Whenever I feel my lips are going dry, I apply this on my lips. Then I have a small mini mirror here. This is in the shape of a cookie. I love this mirror, it's very cute. If you're wearing a lipstick, you need a mirror, so this is for that only. The next important part is, I carry a small perfume, a mini perfume. You always need to smell good in public, so you can apply it whenever you need. When you feel like reapplying it, just apply it and move out. Then I have got tissues. I carry tissues every time I go out. They are multi-purpose. You can use them for whatever you want, so just carry tissues and you're good to go. I also carry wet tissues, guys. Wet tissues are very important. They help you to clean anything, or in one go. You clean anything with it. So So they are also multi-purpose. You can just use them anytime you want. So right now I'm out of stock, so I need to get them. The last and the most important part is cleansing gel, or you call it a sanitizer. I always had a habit of carrying a sanitizer. I don't know why. I got a habit of it like a long time ago. And I'm really happy that I was always using a sanitizer to keep myself clean and maintain the hygiene which is needed always. So even when I still remember when all of us were out of sanitizers, you should not get any sanitizers in any shop. I had so many in my bags because it was a habit for me. So I was happy I didn't have to rush to the stores to get a sanitizer basically. This is a sanitizer I just got last month. Because all those sanitizers which I had earlier, this got over, and I got this a new sanitizer last month itself. I would request each one of you to carry a sanitizer wherever you go. It's very important to maintain hygiene. So that's it guys, this is what I carry in my bag, and I hope you enjoy watching this video to know what I carry in my bag. Also let me know what do you think about this in the comment sections below. Until then, see you next time.